Hello, this is Rohit Permala, student ID 2174629. So this programming is related to happy primes, sad primes, or happy numbers or sad numbers. So let me run the code first. So we're printing the introduction. So after that we need to give an integer. Let's give a prime number, that is 19. So when I gave 19, so it will separate the digits and sum the squares of the digit. So and we are ending with the digit sum equals to 1, that is why it is happy, and it is a prime number, it's true, I'm printing the true, so it is a happy prime. Let's go with another number, let's say 25, which is a non-prime number. So it is a non-prime and it is sad. Let's see why it is sad. So it is sad because it is not ending with 1. So how I'm stopping this criteria is, so I'm going through each and every sum and storing in a set, and if any of the number repeats, I'm stopping it. So because it goes into the loop and it will never stops. So let's say here we have the 89 and end we have 89. So I'm storing all the numbers in one, and if this number already in the set occurs, so I'm stopping the loop. So this is the stopping criteria. So let me explain the code of how I wrote. So starting from the main function, we have called the main function, and in the main function I've used the top down design, which is starting with displaying the introduction using display introduction function, and I have started the while loop. So in that while loop I'm starting with the get input function, which gives the integer from the user, and then the check, I'm calling the check prime whether the number is a prime or not. So this will return whether the number is a prime or not, and after that I am creating a set data type which will be sending to here, which we store all the sum of the numbers. And let's go to the check happy number. So this function, so as we are sending the digit that is given by the user and a set array. So what we are doing is we are checking if the number is already in the known number set or not. If it is not, we are adding it. So after coming that, I am separating the digits of the number, and after separating I am using a map function and squaring the digits and adding them. So I have wrote a square function here and sending the digits and summing all of them. So after that I'm checking if the summation of the digits is 1 or not. If it is 1, I'm sending it directly, I'm returning the value directly as happy. If not, again I am sending the sum digit to the check happy number. So this is called recursion. So I'm using the recursion here. So I'm sending the digit sum again, we'll check if it is present in the known number. If not, then we are going to the same process. If it is already present in the known number, that means it is gone into a recursion, it will never going to be a happy number. So that's why I'm sending the sad as a return value. So that is how I've written this happy prime or sad prime program. After returning this, what I'm doing is we are taking the result and sending that to the display output function as a result and status, and we are checking the prime status. If it is a prime number, I'm printing the prime and we'll print the result. If it is sad, then it is a sad prime. If it is the result is happy, it's a happy prime, and vice versa here. So this is the program of happy numbers. Thank you.